Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Happy Friday.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. We're back with something spooky and haunting.
Ooh.
What are we making?
We're making a little treat for all your little ghouls and goblins this Halloween. We're making pretzel bones, gluten-free pretzel bones. So it's a little sweet, it's a little salty, it's the perfect in between.
Balance.
It's crunchy.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just grabbed a bag of gluten-free little pretzel rods. Find at your local grocer. And we're gonna do a quick little setup. So this is actually really fun and easy. You can do it with your kids. You can do it with your bestie. That's what we're doing today.
Yeah. With your bestie.
And then we have our little mini marshmallows. And we've had a day melting the white chocolate. So learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, maybe get some better white chocolate to melt, or you can make colorful bones and get the colorful melting ones. Those usually melt better. But white chocolate's it's gonna be a little clumpy looking, but you know, bones are, they're not very smooth.
They're not perfect.
They're bumpy.
Yeah.
So we're making some bumpy ones.
Yeah. So how do we get started?
So the chocolate is melted. It's over there. It's on the double boiler. So you're gonna take one of your little pretzel rods and you're gonna put your little marshmallows on the ends. Hopefully they stay in there. We'll find out.
We'll hope.
I would just shove it on.
Okay.
Because, you know, bones are not symmetrical.
Okay.
They're sisters.
Just one marshmallow per side.
Yeah, one marshmallow per side. Just shove them on. Like so. We could do a few while we're doing it.
So what are you going to be for Halloween?
I don't know. Oh.
I love that.
She went right through. I don't know yet. I have not decided. I have no plans. I have nothing.
Okay.
So
That's okay. We can brainstorm. Anyone have any good costume ideas for Kristina?
Yeah.
Put it in the comments. What was your best Halloween costume that you are most proud of?
Yeah.
Mine was a mime with my dad when I was 5.
Oh, that's cute.
I had like my full princess dress, came home from school, saw my dad was a mime. I said, no, I'm taking this off. I want to be what you're being. So he painted my face white and
For trick-or-treating?
For trick-or-treating, yeah.
That's
I went to school as a princess, and I trick-or-treated through the streets as a mime.
That's fun.
Matching with my dad. My hardest part about being a mime, though, was I couldn't talk.
Oh, true.
We know that's a problem for me.
Oh.
So, that was the last time I ever did that costume. We'll keep it that.
Mimes are fun, though. I usually do some sort of clown. I just like doing clown makeup.
Yeah.
But, like, I don't have any plans this year, so I'm like... And I live in an apartment, so no one's coming to my door.
Yeah.
I can't hand out the candy.
Let's make some Halloween plans.
I know. I'm trying. Okay, I'm gonna get the chocolate. Okay. Sorry, I'm not just walking away, guys.
I am going to a circus-themed party, so Kristina is graciously letting me borrow some...
I'm loaning my clown garb.
Some clown garb. The scariest part for me
It's hot.
is the makeup.
Hold on. I need oven mitts. It's a little warm.
You can't burn yourself. Oh.
Why is it doing that? It's off.
Spooky.
I'm about to blow up the house.
It's a ghost.
I'm about to blow up the house.
So yeah, we're gonna be a little clown, and we gotta do the clown makeup.
Okay, she's a little thick. Guys, they're not gonna be perfect because, like we said before, chocolate didn't melt very good. So we're gonna have to.
They're like little weights.
They might not work, and you know what? That's fine. Oh my god.
Do you think my work?
What do you guys think the most popular Halloween costume is going to be this year?
Julia, I don't know about this. We might have to pivot. Pivot.
No, let's paint.
Okay.
The most popular Halloween costume this year. I think it's going to be...
I'm trying to think of what movies came out this year.
I think a lot of people are going to be chaperone.
Oh, yeah.
I think a lot of people are going to be chaperone.
It's hot. The chocolate's hot. Be careful.
Okay, let's paint. This might be work. Oh, this is better. It is a little bit messy, but...
I don't think mine's working. Guys, epic failure. I'm just kidding.
Is it going to be an epic fail?
Yeah, mine's falling apart.
No. Let's try again.
Okay, guys. This is my bone that I made. It's falling apart. The marshmallow fell off. I have to start it again.
Okay.
Just start again.
Well, you know, some bones are thicker than others.
You know what you could also do and what we might pivot to?
Frosting. Should I grab the frost? That's how mine looks.
I'd say we could do the frosting. If you're chocolate, oh, I lost a marshmallow. If your chocolate isn't super liquidy, I feel it's going to be difficult. Which ours is, it's also very hot and I'm touching it with my fingers.
Don't do that.
I'm not trying to.
I wouldn't do that.
I'm not trying.
Guys,
this one's like, okay.
Pause 1 second. We'll be back with a solution, hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, guys. After blood, sweat, and tears, we have figured out the bones. Yeah. Can you see them? Are they in the frame?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Okay. So, same method with the marshmallow and the pretzel. Or wait, no. You figured out we have to do the marshmallow a different way.
Okay. I'm going to try to explain this. So, think that this is a soup can. You have your round sides and your little cylinder. You're not going to do it around the circle. You're going to do it around the rectangular part.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So, the side of your soup can, you're going to stick it through. So, that way it's a little bit longer rather than trying to pierce through and having the same length.
Yeah.
Because then you want it to look more bony. I wasn't thinking about it.
And they weren't sticking. They're sticking now.
Yeah.
With this method.
Yeah. Our marshmallows are a little outdated, but that's okay. We just use what we had in stock.
Yeah.
So that's what we do. We put them on
Like this.
with our little bones and then dip them in our white chocolate. See? That's what I'm saying. We get a good workout. This is a lot of weight for a ghost. They have no muscles.
Yeah.
So.
And also, for some reason, for some unknown reason, the chocolate has now melted more. Haven't done anything else to it. I don't know. That's the science. So, but now it's
Pretty liquid.
we have to drizzle.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, I can't. Oh, Sammy wants one.
And Sammy is a black cat. So
It's
again,
almost National Black Cat Day too.
the spooky season continues.
So I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna use the fork. I don't know if they can see, but you can understand. I'm gonna use the fork to just like spoon the
chocolate.
Spoon the chocolate over it, over the whole thing. Get that thing fully coated.
Yeah, we found that the thicker, the kind of better.
And look at that. It's gorgy.
Look, wow.
Gorge.
That's so sweet.
And like I said, don't know why the chocolate has now melted actually, but we've got it down.
So this one's a little bit more transparent. This one's a little bit thicker, and it looks more realistic, like a little bone.
Yeah, I've been laying it down thick. Don't worry.
So I think thicker the better.
Yeah, because also then they'll stay together. Like the chocolate will act as like a glue.
Yeah.
For the marshmallow.
They're really cute. They're really, really cute. And I hope that they taste just as amazing as they look.
We did taste test the bad ones, and they did turn out good. Look at that. Gorge.
Wow. Okay, so now we have some made. We're gonna pop them in the fridge, and that's how we got our final ones here. Literally just threw them in the fridge for like 5 minutes and let the chocolate set.
And they're
so
good.
now they're perfect. I think you should take the perfect one.
Okay. Yeah, guys, look at that. They're actually really cute.
They're really cute.
I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little bit frustrated.
I could tell.
Getting a little She said, I can tell.
Spooky season, and now we have our spooky treat, so there's no reason.
It's Scorpio season. I'm allowed to be evil. It's my season.
True. That's
my
true.
season.
So yeah, cheers.
But hopefully that sounded good. It's good.
It's sweet, salty, crunchy, perfect. This is so cute to bring to a Halloween party. I think I'm gonna bring some of these to my Halloween party on Saturday, and hopefully the people love them. They're so realistic and cute.
If they say that they don't look like bones, don't tell me. Don't tell me that.
I won't say
I only want to
anything.
hear positives.
I won't say
I'm
anything.
fragile right now. Okay.
That is such a cute little treat.
That's good. Also, if you want to make a marshmallow, you could do like some red on it. Make it look like blood.
Bloody bone. Broken bone, just... Wow.
That's fine.
All right, you gotta eat this.
I already ate it. Are you gonna eat yours? Okay, fine. I will say, marshmallow, I don't know, it's throwing me off texture-wise.
Okay.
That's just me. It tastes good though.
I love it. I think they're so cute. And even without the white chocolate, if your white chocolate doesn't melt, like ours was trying not to, I think this is even cute and probably tastes good. So,
Or just dip your pretzels. Or, here's another idea for you that me and my friends do. We'll do pretzel cigarettes. So you dip just the pretzel in the white chocolate and then the end of it, like where a cigarette ash would go, you coat it with like Oreos, Oreo crumbs.
Your gluten-free Oreos.
Yeah, gluten-free Oreos.
Those are a little
Pretzies.
controversial in the community, though.
Are they? Mm-hmm. Well, they're really
Some people
yummy.
say they have a reaction to it, so definitely always listen to your body. And
Oh, the Oreos.
Yeah, the
I thought you meant the
gluten-free ones.
cigarette pretzels.
no, the gluten-free Oreos. People are controversial about it.
Really? I haven't
Yeah.
tried them yet.
So make sure you always
Ooh.
read your packaging. Always trust your gut.
Next week we'll try them out and we'll see if we have reactions.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, don't make those for the kids though. You don't want to encourage smoking.
No, they're just really yummy.
And they're funny.
I'm over 21.
They're a gag gift.
I'm allowed to
if they
consume.
match your costume, then go for it. Yeah, if you're like Marilyn Monroe, did she smoke cigarettes? I feel like yeah.
Probably.
But they had those long sticks back in the day. Those were crazy.
You can make you can get the really long pretzel roll.
Giant pretzels and cigarettes.
All right.
Anyway, we're gonna keep enjoying our bones, and hopefully our chocolate stays melted.
Mm-hmm.
But make sure you check out our September-October issue. We have some great
5-ingredient Halloween.
5-ingredient Halloween. We have some cute monster pretzel ball or popcorn balls. What else do we have? Our little
The caprese.
caprese ghosts. Ooh,
Spider deviled eggs.
spider deviled eggs.
It wasn't Dirty Shirley, was it?
We
It
did
was just a Bloody Shirley.
Bloody Shirley.
What was the other one?
I don't know. So I guess you'll have to find out by looking at
Yeah,
our September-October
last
issue.
one you have to find it. Ooh.
But yeah, enjoy your Halloween. Everybody stay safe, and we'll see you guys next Friday, November 1st.
Ooh, I'm gonna be on a trip, but we'll film it early for you guys, so we'll be here.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back in the Thanksgiving spirits.
I'm gonna be on my birthday spirit.
Okay, yay, as you should. Scorpio season. All right, guys, we'll see you next Friday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.